Let me show you how to make image talk for free.
Guys, do you know that in Grok you can upload images and type in your script and you can make that whatever image that you upload speak? If you don't know, let me show you how. This is like a new feature that Grok introduced and it's absolutely for free. As you can see, I am on a free account and you can use it in your mobile app as well. In order to do that, you can just click on this imagine button. Here you have the upload button, right? Just need to upload a file. Let's say I have this image of a thumbnail that I generated, right? So soon after you upload it, it automatically will generate a video for you without you even have to prompt anything. Let's wait for this to finish.
It's my brain. Brain.
So as you can see, it will speak some gibberish, which is not what we want. What we can do now is click on this button and you can see like a speech button is there, right? So maybe I can write something. Okay, don't forget to share and subscribe to Softreviewed. Let me just click on play and now we'll see the final out. Now we have our video ready and let me just play that for you.
Don't forget to share and subscribe to Softreviewed.
I think this looks really amazing because the speaker is really expressive. Try again and you will get a male voice. Initially when I tried, I got the male voice. Now it sounds like it's a female voice, but I am happy with the quality. And also you can download it for free without any watermark. So you can use it anywhere without worrying about the watermark. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe for more future videos. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Click that thumb and join the dream. Stay in the loop with the latest vibe. Hit that bell, come on, subscribe.